time I'm catching a huge frog.
Holy crap! That thing is big. I got you.
Hey, he got him.
This is my new best friend. He peed on me!
Let's go watch him. Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Somewhere over here. He gone.
Oh, whoa. I hope you didn't kill him.
Oh, no, I didn't kill him.
Well, that was quite a throw.
He peed on me. That's what he did.
All right. Okay. We're going to look for this frog. You look over there. I got this section. Now, how in the world would we be all the way over here? Let's look over here. Okay, where did it land when you threw it?
I don't know. Just forget it.
Hold up. I just wanna. Hold on. Yeah.
Just forget it. We're never going to